Right, so okay, let me, yeah, it is recording. Fine, let me share my screen, guys. Guys, please don't confuse, nothing is there. Simply earlier we discussed about the server role. Now we are discussing about the database roles. Database roles will be applied on the databases only. We have different database roles, data reader, which can read all the data from the whole database. You can read all the tables. Data writer, then what we can see, delete operation, delete permission, update permission, insert permission. These three permissions are there for data writer. If you are a member of data writer, you can delete the data from any table in the database. You can insert the data to any table in the database. You can update the data, okay, on any table on that particular database, guys. Okay, right, let me go to this server again. Chalo, let's go with this DDL admin. Some roles, okay, I don't want to concentrate. Why? Because we don't use it, but still I'll show you, okay, what is those roles, what permissions are there for those roles and all. I'll show you. DDL admin, you can see here, these are all the permissions. Almost 12 permissions are there for this DDL admin. DBCC clean table, show statistics, okay, different you can see truncate table. You can see here, guys, truncate. We discussed about truncate table. Okay, so truncate means it will truncate the table, it will delete all the records, but the table structure will remain same. Okay, so there is no confusion, right? Delete, truncate, and drop.
No,
Clear, guys? Any issues
yes,
in the
clear.
delete, drop, and truncate? Okay, done. Fine. Let me go with the deny data reader. Now tell me, guys, it's your part now. What is the meaning of deny data writer? Now you will came to know the exact meaning of deny. Tell me what permissions deny data reader will have.
No select permission.
Right. Data reader means what?
Select
Select
permission.
permission, sir.
Select
Permission.
permission. Deny means no select.
No
Deny
select.
data reader. Okay, if you see now, okay, let me execute, guys. Right, no select permission. That's it, very simple. Now I have a question for all of you. Now Dhananjay is a member of data reader role. At the same time, Dhananjay is a member of deny data reader role. Now Dhananjay can read the data or not?
Will not, sir.
I need answers from everyone. Please participate. Please participate in the chat. Okay, just tell me your answers, yes or no. That's it. Need everyone's participation, guys. Everyone has to respond. Otherwise, I'll ping you and I'll ask you. Still, 3 more people, 2 more people, 2 more people. Two more people. Okay, chalo. Okay, so let's check. Let's check this time. Oh my God, everyone says no. No one said yes. Yes, please. Oh, question. Okay, done. Okay, you are a member of data reader and you are a member of deny data reader. Now tell me whether you can read the data or you cannot read the data. That is my question. Everyone said no, only no one said yes, guys. I was very disappointed with your answers. Chalo, okay. So the answer is, okay, whether he can read the data, right? Chalo, let's go with the demo first. Security admin, Dhananjay, User mapping, click OK. Employee, right? Earlier he is a member of data reader. Guys, again, you have to select each database. If I want to give access on student table, student database, again, I have to select. See here, these permissions are grayed out. How can I give access, guys? Now tell me. These permissions are grayed out. How can
Checked
I
to
have
the
to
student
select
database.
this database? Then only these permissions will be enabled. Okay. So each database you have to select, guys. Let me unselect it. I don't want to give access. Chalo. Okay. So now employee database. Dhananjay is a member of data reader. Dhananjay is a member of deny data reader. Okay. Let me check now. Dhananjay can read the data or not. This is Dhananjay section, right? This is the employee table, right? This table we have. Okay. This table is deleted. Let me delete this query. Okay, or else without deleting, I cannot execute, guys. What I can do, I don't want to execute this line. What I can
You
do?
can give comments.
Yes, just give double line, double slash. Okay, like this. It will be commented. Okay, even though you execute the whole thing. See, guys, for example, if you have two lines, two queries, if you want to execute a specific query, you can select and you can execute it. The specific query will be executed. If you don't select and if you execute it, all the queries will be executed. Okay, I want to comment this line. Okay, so just comment it by just giving two hyphens. The line is green. You can see the line is converted into green color. Means even though you execute now, this will be skipped. It won't execute. Without selecting this, completely you can execute it. The second line, the second query won't be executed, guys. And you can see here the select permission was denied. Okay, forget about it. I don't want to confuse you again. I just want to run only one query. Okay, select star from employee name, employee details. Okay, if you see here, as he's a member of deny data reader, we discussed it, right? Data reader is there, deny data reader is there. At the end of the day, deny only will work. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Deny is the second highest privileged permission other than sysadmin. Now I have a question for all of you. Be ready with your answers. Dhananjay is a process admin. Deny is applied on Dhananjay for kill permission. Okay, Dhananjay is a process admin. But kill permission is denied for Dhananjay. Now tell me Dhananjay can kill the processes or not? Dhananjay
sir.
is a,
No.
I need answers in the chart. Okay, Dhananjay is a process admin. Dhananjay is a process admin. Of course, process admin can kill the sessions, right? But kill session or kill permission is denied for Dhananjay. Now Dhananjay can kill the sessions or not? Come on, guys, quick. Your answer in the chat, please. I hope you all got my question. Dhananjay is a
Yes,
process
sir.
admin. As per the process
Hey,
admin, he can kill
let
all
go.
the sessions. But please, guys, please mute it. Who is that, please? But kill permission is denied for Dhananjay. Now Dhananjay can kill the sessions or not? Okay, so the answer is okay. Again, everyone said no only. Again, I was disappointed, guys, with your answers. Everyone is so good. Okay, so the answer is no, guys. Okay, he cannot kill. Why? Because at the end of the day, deny only will apply for
Deny.
Dhananjay. Okay, and Dhananjay cannot kill the sessions. Okay, now tell me, Dhananjay is a member of security admin. Okay, and create new login is denied for Dhananjay. Now tell me, Dhananjay can create new logins or not? You can unmute and you can tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so simply deny only will work, guys. Okay, deny only will work. Yes, deny is a member of sysadmin. Okay, create any database is denied, or simply shutdown permission is denied for Dhananjay. Dhananjay is a sysadmin. Shutdown permission is denied for Dhananjay. Now Dhananjay can shut down the SQL server or not? No, I need answers. This time I need answers from everyone.
No,
Just
sir.
please,
No, sir.
use chat option. Please use chart option. Listen carefully. Listen my question carefully. Dhananjay is a sysadmin where he can do all the things on the server level. At the end of the day, shutdown permission is denied for Dhananjay. Now tell me, Dhananjay can shut down my SQL server or he cannot shut down my SQL server? I need answers in the chart.
Yes, sir.
Definitely this time.
I think no yoga.
No.
Done. 6 persons has to respond, guys. Please woke up if you are sleeping. Four persons has to respond. 2 persons woke up and 3 more persons not yet. Please, guys, please 29, 30, 31. Okay. 3 persons. Please respond. If you are still sleeping, please woke up and answer, and again you can sleep. Chalo, these 2 persons are in deep sleep, I guess. Okay, so let's check now. Let's check now at 8:30, right? We got answers. Okay, he can't shut down. Okay. Okay. So let's go from the down. Yes. Okay, Divya said yes because sysadmin have first priority. So he can shut down the SQL server. Okay. As per Divya, he can shut down. Revati said no. As per Revati, he cannot shut down the SQL server. Okay. Praveena, yes. Suresh, no. Charan Kumar, no. Meghna Reddy, no. Shravan, yes. Malleshwar Rao, yes. Yes. Dhananjay, yes. Ravindra, he cannot shut down. Srikanth, yes. Lata Shankaran, yes. Srinivas Vijwada, no. Okay. Anand, yes, he can shut down. No. Divya, okay. Okay, guys, no. Yes. Bala Venkatesh, yes. Ravindra, yes. Narendra Achari, no. Madhavi, no. Guys, who said no is the wrong answer. Okay. He can shut down. I told you, right? He's the second highest privilege other than sys. What is the first highest privilege?
Sysadmin, sir.
Sysadmin. Okay. First highest, you cannot remember, you cannot forget these things, guys. Okay. First highest is privilege, sysadmin. Deny versus sysadmin, who will win? Sysadmin will win. Deny versus any other roles and any other permissions, who will win? Deny versus sysadmin, who will win? Deny versus sysadmin, who will win? Sysadmin will win.
Sysadmin,
Okay,
sir.
sysadmin is the upper hand. Deny versus any other roles. Deny versus any other roles and other permissions, who will win?
Deny.
Deny will win. Okay? Deny only will win. Deny cannot deny sysadmin. Remember, deny cannot deny sysadmin. Deny can deny any other roles and any other permissions, guys. Okay, the answer is if Dhananjay is a member of sysadmin and if shutdown permission is denied for Dhananjay, he can shut down the SQL server as sysadmin will work. Okay, right? Clear? Right. Chalo, let's go with the other database roles, guys. Let's go with other database roles. Security and DDL admin is completed. Deny data writer. Deny same guys. Deny data writer. Tell me, guys, now what permissions are there for deny data writer?
Don't delete,
No insert and
No
no
delete,
update,
update, and
no
insert.
Very good. Okay, so data writer means update, insert, delete, insert, update, right? So deny data writer means no insert, no update, no delete. That's it. No delete, no insert, no update. Means even though you are a member of data writer, if deny data writer is applied on you, you cannot insert the data in the table, you cannot update the table, you cannot delete the table, guys. Okay, you cannot delete the table. Done. Chalo. Let's go with the very powerful role, which is DB owner, guys. I told you, right? DB owner is very powerful role in the database level. So DB owner can do all the things, everything he can do, guys. Okay, like say sysadmin in the server level, DB owner is the database level. You can see here 57 permissions are there for the DB owner. 57. Like a sysadmin in the server level. Okay, deny can, I'm sorry, DB owner can do all the things. He can create new tables, he can delete the tables, he can drop the tables, he can insert the data, he can, what he can do, he can take the backup of the database, he can take the log of the database, checkpoint, he can run checkpoint. Okay, he can run checkpoint, and you can see all the things: insert, revoke. Revoke means taking back the permissions, truncate the table, update the permissions, he can rename the table. Okay, right, whatever you want, you can do in the database level, guys. Now be ready with your answers. Okay, done. So Dhanunjay is a member of DB owner. Okay, Dhanunjay is a member of DB owner. Create any database, sorry, create any table is denied for Dhanunjay. Any permission or any permission. Let's go this time with okay. Select any permission is denied. Okay, Dhanunjay is a DB owner, guys. Dhanunjay is a DB owner. Select any object permission is denied for Dhanunjay. Now tell me, Dhanunjay can read the data or he cannot read the data? I need answers in the chart. Yes or no? Yes means he can read the data. No means he cannot read the data. Dhanunjay is DB owner, but select any permission, select any object is denied for Dhanunjay. Again, repeating the question, Dhanunjay is a DB owner. I'm sorry, Dhanunjay is a DB owner. Select any object is denied for Dhanunjay. Now Dhanunjay can read the data or he cannot read the data. Come on, guys, you should be quick. Yes or no, right? How much time it will take? 20, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 9 persons has to respond. 9. Come on, guys, quick. No problem. You can tell yes or no, no issues. 7 people has to respond. 5 people, 4 people, 4 people has to respond, guys. Chalo, okay. I guess you are not interested to answer. Chalo, let's go with these answers. Lata said no. No means what? He cannot read the data. Very good. Suresh, yes. Meghana, yes. Narendra, yes. Yes. Sanjeev, yes. Ramapriya, no. Siddiq, no. Pravina, yes. No. Sachita, no. Ankam Rao, no, sir. He cannot read. Can't read. No. Bala Venkatesh, yes. No, yes. Chidananda, no. Yes, because he said in her first period. Okay, chalo. Let's go with the demo, guys. Okay. Instead of discussing yes or no, let's go with the demo. Chalo. Let me go with Dhanunjay login. Where is Dhanunjay? Dhanunjay. Here is Dhanunjay. Okay. Let me go with the user mapping. Yes, please. Someone is saying something. This is Dhanunjay, employee, right? So, chalo, let's go like this. DB owner. Let me add him into the DB owner. Let me uncheck this one. Okay. Now, is that fine, guys? For our permissions, deny data reader. Okay, I'm giving deny data reader and the DB owner. Deny data reader means no select permission, right? I can give it, right?
Yes.
Right. This is no select permission. This is DB owner. Chalo, let's try now. Okay. Earlier, where is this? Select permission was denied, right? Okay. Let me execute now, guys. What is your answer?
No.
The answer is no. Again, I'm saying those who said yes, Meghana and others. Second highest other than sysadmin. second highest other than sysadmin. First
Denies.
sysadmin, second deny, other than deny, after the deny only you will get all the permissions. Deny versus DB owner, who will win?
Deny, sir. Because deny is the second highest.
Sir.
Deny will win, deny
Privilege.
will win, deny will win, deny will win. Okay? Deny
thought
will
that-
win. Is it
Hello?
clear? Yes, yes, please.
I thought that you told me that sysadmin and the data and the sysadmin in the server and
Correct.
server role
Yes,
and in that
I'll totally admit that statement. Okay, we discussed sysadmin is equal to DB owner in the database level. Means
yes.
I just want to convey that DB owner can do anything in the database. That doesn't mean, okay, he can, what we can say, that doesn't mean the basic rule, which is deny is the, I also said the same thing, deny is the second highest privilege. Both are true in this case. You cannot forget one, you cannot ignore one statement. Deny is the second highest privilege permission. At the end of the day, DB owner, he can do anything in the database level. Both statements are true, but you have to consider both statements. Yes, DB owner can do all the things, but again, if deny applied on DB owner, he cannot do that particular specific thing.
For the thing I got confused.
Yeah. So now is it clear?
Yeah,
Only
Srimati.
thing is deny is the second highest. Okay. Deny cannot deny sysadmin. Deny can deny everyone.
Okay.
This is the thumb rule. Deny can deny everyone. Okay. Done.
Except sysadmin, sir.
Sorry, sysadmin.
Except sysadmin.
Yes,
then
that's
I
it.
can-
That's it. Yeah. Except sysadmin, he can deny everyone. Okay. Done, guys. Is it clear? Any issues, any doubts in the database roles? Okay.
DB
Chalo, let's
owner,
create
sir?
DB owner. Yes. DB owner can do everything. There is no demo for that. You can do anything. I mean, like anything means, of course, if any permission is denied, that
DB
you cannot.
owner like a sysadmin, sir.
Yes, DB owner like a sysadmin in the database level.
Okay.
Okay, he can do all these things, all these 57 permissions. Okay, again, he can do all these things. He can do anything in the database level, but again, at the end of the day, he was below to the deny only. Deny is the upper hand. Okay, and then your DB owner will be there. So if any permission is denied, but if you are a DB owner, still deny only will work, and that permission won't work, guys. Okay, chalo, and that is the okay. And let me go with the last role, and then finally we'll create a custom database roles. Then finally we'll go with the okay, giving access on a specific object. I thought to start backups today, but unfortunately it was dragged the 2 hours. Done. Security admin. Okay, guys. So same kind of thing. You can add any other user to the any other roles. Add role member. Okay, he can add any other users to any other roles and all security admin. And hardly will use data reader, data writer, DB owner, guys. Okay, sometimes they will ask us to give deny data reader, deny data writer also. These 5 database roles will use regularly. And again, if you still confusing, just at the end of the day, last 5 minutes, we'll discuss what we are going to do in the security, guys. I'll tell you. Okay, the 5 permissions. I'll show you what regularly we'll do in the organization related to the security. I'll tell you. Even though you don't listen or you are still confused with these 2 days of classes on security, just listen carefully on the last 5 minutes. Very important. Okay, chalo, let's create a custom DB role, guys. Right click, new database role. Same. Okay, app DB role. Same like your what we can say, server role, custom server role. Okay, so now this time go to securable section, expand it. Now go for the search option. Specific objects are all objects. Select all objects. You can see the tables and all tables, databases, any object. If you choose the databases, if you click OK, you can see all the permissions on the database level, guys. Okay, and you can see these many permissions are there. Okay, what a user can do on a single database, alter any application. See how many are there. Okay, lot of permissions are there. Your wish whether, see, I want to go with the backup database grant, checkpoint grant. Okay, and create. Okay, create any role. create any role. I want to give again, no, nothing to worry about the permissions in the organization. Your developers will give you what permissions you have to select. Grant, with grant, create table. Okay, I want to give grant permission. Delete. Okay, I want to give deny permission. Okay, he cannot delete any records. Okay, and insert, I want to give grant. Select, he want to read the data, so I'm giving a select, not show plan, select. Okay, so these are the permissions that I can apply on the update. I'm giving grant. Okay, so these are the permissions he can apply. Means if you want all these permissions, you can group together all the permissions and you can click OK. Okay, you can click OK. Now next time, if any person, any user is looking for the same permissions, you can simply add him into that particular role. How to add? Click on that login, go to user mapping, right? And you just created this role in the employee database, so you can see that role in the employee database only, AppDB role. If you choose other database, you cannot see that role, guys. Is it clear? Why I cannot see that role in this other database? Why I cannot see that role in the other database?
You had created on
In the employee database only.
employee database only.
That's why I have to select only employee database. In which database your role is created, you have to select that database only. Okay, that's why you can see AppDB role. Now whatever permissions are there, that 6 or 7 we have selected, right? Some permissions we have selected. Okay, grant, some are deny. So those permissions will be applied to Dhananjay now. Fine. Any questions, any doubts in the custom DB roles, in the DB roles, in the server roles, in the custom server roles, the security? If yes, chalo, let's, I'll show you. Sometimes we'll get a request. Hey, can you please give me access on this specific table? Okay, let me check any tables are there, specific tables. Yes, DBO merit. Okay, how many records are there in this role? Sorry, in this table, we have 3 records and student details. Select top 1000 rows. We have 5 records. So you can do practice on any of the database. So let me create a fresh login this time. Customer is asking, one customer comes to us. Okay, that customer is asking, a user is asking. Chalo, let's go with one this time Sampath. Okay, let me go with Sampath this time. I'll create a Sampath login. Sampath is asking, okay, hey DBA team, can you please give me access on student details table? Only student details table. You need read access only on student details. Okay, right? We have student details, right? This is employee. Now tell me, guys, how can I do that? Tell me. This is a student database and we have merit and student details. Sampath is seeking for only permissions on student details table. He cannot read other tables, only a single table or multiple tables he want to read. How can we do that? Can anyone help me? Can anyone guide me? Very easy, guys, very easy.
Query a command.
Come
No,
on.
query a
GUI.
Okay.
Sir, he is asking only student details, sir, not many details.
Go to the security section.
Okay.
Logins, their logins.
Sir, go to the security section.
Okay.
Database security.
Database security. Okay.
No, down, sir.
Okay.
Right click the find the user.
Okay. First of all, I did not give access on student details, right? Student database.
Yeah, sir,
right?
we need to give
Right?
access.
Agree?
Go to
Logins,
When the Sampath will be
logins.
created, yeah. When the Sampath will be created, I told you, right? Login cannot enter into the database. On behalf of login, a user should be there. There is no Sampath in the student database. I have to first create Sampath. How can I create Sampath? Go to the
Create
Sampath
the
login. Okay. Go to the Sampath login. Double click on the Sampath login and go to user mapping.
Yes, sir.
Chalo,
select
click OK.
student.
Select student and DBO. That's it. Now, do I need to give any permissions? Do I need to add Sampath user in any of the role?
No.
Sir, only select permissions, sir.
Yes.
No.
Okay. So now I cannot add. If I add into data reader, he can read all the tables, right? By default, he can read. So I don't want to add Sampath into any role. Let me click OK. Now Sampath is created in the database. Now tell me.
Sir,
Now
right
go
click
to
on
security
go to
section,
property.
sir.
Go to
Go to
properties. Okay, done.
Search in the table.
Search in the table. Okay, search.
Yeah. Specific object.
Okay, fine. Any object, all objects also fine. You can select tables. Okay,
Table. Select
okay,
table.
done.
Okay.
You can see all the
select to
tables in the
the
database. Which data,
yes,
which table you
student.
need access? Student table.
Student.
Okay,
Student.
done.
Yes.
Okay, now before giving that, let me show you whether Sampath can read the data or not. Okay, let me connect as Sampath, guys. I'll give you one assignment for all of you today. I need a shortcuts in the SSMS. How many of you are going to tell more shortcuts? You will get okay. You are the winner, guys. Sampath. See, for example, Control N will use to open a new query window, right? That is one shortcut. Agree? So like that, contribute how many shortcuts you can contribute. Okay, and I'll give you a reward points to you.
Okay.
Only in SMS.
Only in SSMS. Only in SSMS. How many shortcuts are? If you said, say, Madhavi said 10 shortcuts. Okay. Raghu said 12 shortcuts. Raghu is the winner. Who will give more contribution is the winner.
Last లో వాళ్ళకి
Please
ఏదో
mute it,
గిఫ్ట్
please
ఇస్తారు
mute it,
డబ్బులు
please mute
పరంగా
it, please mute. Okay, done. Right. Let me go to the server, guys. Chalo. So, ఎవరు బాబు? ఎవరు? Please mute it, guys. Okay, please mute it. Done. Okay, this is Sampath section. Let me disconnect all the other users. Ramapriya, Dhananjay, let me disconnect. Let me go with Sampath. Control N. So what is the query, guys? Select star from. Okay. What is the query? Student database.
Student.
Okay. Student dot. Okay. Table name is student details. Student underscore details. What is the table name? Let me check it. Let me check. Student details only, but the table name is somewhat
Table
different. No, STUD
Yeah, merit.
details. Okay. STUD details. Done. Okay, student details. Let me execute. Of course, expected. Why? Because we as of now we haven't given any permissions to Sampath. We just created the user. Okay. Chalo. Let's. Where is that window here? This is the window. Now let me select this table, student details. On student details, right, we need permissions. And again, what is the other table, guys? Merit, MERT, na? Select star from
Merit, sir.
student, STUDENT dot merit.
MERIT.
MERT or MERT?
MERIT.
Merit. Okay, done. You can see here, if you don't have permissions, you will get error. Select permission was denied. If the table name is wrong, you can see invalid object name. That is the correct error. Okay. And again, guys, please try to habituate, read the errors properly. You will get lot of knowledge. You will get a lot of knowledge. Please read the errors properly. Don't read the first line. Read the error completely. All right. So now let me go to this section. I want to give only access on student details. Select that particular student details. Which access I want to give? Select, right? Select. Done. Okay. Click OK. Done, guys. Earlier he got the error, right? Now execute it. Now he can read the data. Earlier he got the error, right? Now can he read the data from student merit? Tell me, guys.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, we gave access only on student details.
Student
okay, not
details.
on merit. Now you can see here. Okay, now you can see he is not authorized person to read student merit table. This is how you can give access on specific tables. You can give in two ways. One is go to user properties. Okay, one is go to user properties, double click on the user, go to the securables, search the object. Okay, select the object. Okay, that is one way of giving the permissions. Now if I want to give on merit, I can give merit. Okay, or else there is another way. On which table Sampath need access? Go to the table, guys. Tables. If you go to users, you have to search for tables.
Table.
If you go to tables, you have to search for
User.
Employee.
Users, very
User.
good. I want to give access on merit table. Double click on the merit, right click properties on the merit table. Okay, go to secureable space again. Where is that? Where is that? Permissions. Okay, go to permissions. Again, you can see search. To whom I have to search, guys?
Sampath.
Sampath, SAMPATH. Check names. As Sampath user is already created in the database. That's why I got it. Or if I go for Dhanunjay, okay, definitely I'll get the error. Object not found, name not found. Okay, so let me go with Sampath. Run, just click OK. Now you can see what permissions you want. I want to give select permission. Chalo, give select permission, click OK. Earlier, he got error, right? Select permission was denied. Now if you give, he can execute. Done. Either you can go for user properties, search for tables, or go for table properties, search for users. That's it, guys. Very simple, giving access on a specific object. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello, everyone, please, okay, please concentrate. The last 5 minutes of the security, very important. What we are going to do, let me tell you quickly. Okay, so as a DBA, we are going to create logins. You know how to create logins. Okay, so what kind of request we'll get? Simply we'll get one request. Hey, DBA team, can you please give me access on this particular database? How to give it? Chalo, let's go with this new login, guys. New login. This time let's check Kandul Yatish. Okay, let's go with Yatish. Okay, Yatish is a developer. Yatish is asking on permissions. Okay, this time I don't want to show you the demo. Simply I'll give the access. Right, Yatish requested us. Yatish is a developer. Yatish requested us, hey, I need access on the database table. Chalo, we'll create login for him. Okay, Yatish, we just created login. Double click on Yatish. Which server role? Simply Yatish is asking sysadmin. Select sysadmin. Chalo, close it. Update to Yatish. Yatish, you got sysadmin privileges. Please let me know and confirm whether you are able to access the data or not. That's it. Yatish is asking. Chalo, let's remove it again. You have to remove the sysadmin permissions from Yatish. Go to sysadmin properties. Go to Yatish. Go to server roles and unselect this sysadmin. And in this way, you can remove the sysadmin privileges from Yatish. Yatish is asking access on one database. Which database, guys? Employee database. Go to Yatish login. Double click on Yatish. Okay, chalo, go to user mapping. Right, click OK. Yatish is asking employee database. On employee database, he is asking data reader. Okay, select data reader. Just click OK. That's it. In this way, you can give it. You want to revoke the data reader permissions from Yatish? Go to that particular Yatish login. Okay, where is that membership? This is user, right? Let me go with the login. This is user. Okay, where is the login? Yatish Y. Okay, double click on it. Go to user mapping. I want to remove data reader. Okay, go to Yatish login. Select the database, and guys, while giving or while removing, make sure you select the proper database. Sometimes you will get the same permissions on student database also Yatish is having data reader. On employee database is also Yatish is having data reader. By mistake, if you remove the data reader permissions from student table, student database, then it will create a problem. Make sure from which database you want to remove the access. Select the database and remove the access. Okay, unselect it and click OK. Done. This is giving this is the way of adding any login into any particular, giving access on any database. This is how we'll give access to any login on any database. Right? Yatish is asking, guys, tell me now. Yatish is asking sysadmin, DB owner on student database. Tell me how to do that.
Go
Yatish
to
is
users.
asking users or logins.
Logins create.
Login is already created, right, sir?
That's okay.
Yatish.
Yatish
Okay.
already
Select Yatish.
login or user.
Sir, login.
Login user.
Login.
Okay, not user, login only.
Okay.
Double click on Yatish.
Select Yatish.
Go to user
Server,
mapping
User mapping.
user mapping.
and select to DB owner. Select the database which you want.
Database.
On which database you need a DB owner access. Select the database. Just click OK. If you give DB owner, is it necessary, guys?
No, sir.
No need, sir.
No.
Okay,
No, sir,
I
no.
can
No,
unselect
sir.
it. Okay, because DB owner can do everything, right? I can unselect. But if deny data reader is there, don't unselect it, guys. Why? Because deny only will work in this case. Okay. If any other roles are there, you can unselect it while giving DB owner. If deny is there, deny data writer, deny data writer is there, don't unselect it, guys. Okay, right? Clear? That's it, guys. This is our part in the organization. Believe me.